Hi, and welcome to our tutorial series to get you started on TestMonitor. These videos are designed to show you how to use the main features of TestMonitor and will help you set up your first test project. In this sixth video, you're going to learn how to track test results. In the previous videos, we set up a test and ran it. Now, let's start tracking results. First, click on the Track menu item. You'll be taken to the Track Test Runs overview page. You'll see a list of test runs along with their progress, result outcome, users, and related issues. Unfinished test runs will show a faded smiley icon, indicating a preliminary result. You can use the filters to narrow down the test runs you want to track. You can select a specified milestone, filter active test runs, or only show test runs with a failed outcome. If you want to dig deeper, you can click on the Code or Chevron button on the right to open the Test Run Detail page. Here, the test run details are shown together with every related test result, test case, user, and issue. If you want to go even further, you can click on an individual test result to see all its details. Another way to review the test results for a test run is to expand the table row using the arrow icon shown at the start of the row. By clicking on the arrow icon, you'll reveal the test results recorded for the selected test run. They're grouped by assigned user, making it easy to distinguish test results from each tester. The results are represented using their smiley, test case code and name, description, attachments, and timestamp. To get a grip on your incoming test results, we're providing a couple of features that make test result management more convenient. In some cases, you might want to provide feedback on a test result. For example, when a result description needs clarification, a crucial screenshot is missing, or the tester chose the wrong smiley. You can use comments to send messages about a particular test result. Click on the message icon next to the test result and post your message. The tester will automatically receive a notification with your message and a link to rerun the test case, while the test run is still available. With many test results coming in, it becomes increasingly difficult to separate the ones you've already reviewed and those that are new. With our Mark as Viewed feature, you can treat your list of test results as an inbox. Click on the I button once you have reviewed the result. The test results row will slightly dim. You can now single out new test results much easier. In addition, you can use filters to hide viewed test results. On top of that, there is also a special column that reveals the amount of unread results for each test case. We kept our most important feature for last. You can create issues from test results and manage them with our built-in issue tracker. Click on the bug icon to open the issue drop-down menu. Select Add Issue to create a new issue based on the test result. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to fill in the issue details, such as category, impact, and assignee. Once saved, the bug icon will be highlighted, which signifies one or more issues are linked. You can also link existing issues to a test result. Just select Link to Issue, pick any issue from the list, and click Save. If you want to look at things from the test case perspective, just click on Test Cases in the top menu. You'll be taken to the Track Test Cases overview page. You'll see a list of test cases along with their newest test result and related issues. As with test runs, you can use the filters to narrow down the test cases you want to track by selecting a specific test suite or only showing test cases which most recent test failed. As with test runs, you can dig deeper by clicking on the test case code or chevron. Here, the test case details are shown together with every related test result, test case properties, and issues. If you want to go even further, you can click on an individual test result to see all its details. Separating test results and issues can be really beneficial for your project. While test results are great sources for fixing the problem, they lack status information, who's working on it, and whether it's actually fixed or not. This is where issue management comes in. Issues are marked with a status, can be assigned to anyone, and have a dedicated comment section. Because it is tightly integrated into the rest of TestMonitor, issue information is shown on other sections as well, as we have seen on the Track Test Cases overview. With the proper permissions set up, you can even show pending issues while running tests, allowing testers to verify whether the original problem has been resolved. This concludes the sixth video in the series. In the next video, we are going to cover how to manage issues. Thank you for watching, and happy testing!